Cats are now making some really weird noises. It's totally different from the usual meows we're used to hearing. Sometimes, they move their mouths in sync with their owners' voices and pant like they're out of breath. They even bark like a dog. Other cats also do the same, as if they're expressing what they're unhappy about, making strange noises and twitching their facial muscles. This behavior is known as chattering, which is something we often see in cats. Cats instinctively start chattering as soon as they spot prey. It is thought to be a way of loosening their jaw muscles. Although this is just a theory and not completely proven, it's common for excited cats, or those seeing a bird from a distance, to chatter. Still, there are cats that don't chatter. Cats that were separated from their mothers at a young age might not chatter, since they usually learn how to chatter from their moms. So cats don't chatter if they spent their kittenhood alone. Also, if cats chatter when they're in a calm state, it can be a sign of their dental problems.